one of the earlier performances, September in the Rain. Exactly the same script, but of course different actors. The inimitable Jodie Kozlowski and Chris Matthews.
Oh.
Clears my head. Do you know, I've always liked Blackpool air. It's thicker in some way. Like, there's more texture to it. You can feel it doing you some good. I mean, look at it. Even in September, when it's all grey, it still warms me to be here. I've said to our Jack many a time, we ought to have bought a boarding house in Blackpool. Where to go with it, Jack? He's never been keen. Mind you, can't move in when he puts his mind to something. And Blackpool has changed. It has. We've just had our last walk down Central Drive and all that's changed. And the work that fancy front on two swords when we first came. All this merry amusements on Golden Mile. Or the Jack.
No.
We've only been here for a few days. We've been stopping at a guest house up past Cenotaph. I hope that's not an omen, Jack. It's quiet up there. Away from bingo and slots. We like it quiet now. Eh? It's a lovely run to Blackpool. Only takes us an hour and a half on M62. From Yorkshire, aren't we, Jack? We used to come to Blackpool for years.
Oh, did
Things happen that fast. I can't always place me right here, if you know what I mean.
I know what you mean.
Jack says that when he goes, I can scatter his ashes all over Blackpool sands.
Bloody hell, Liz!
It's not been his sense, he had a bit to do with his heart.
Bloody hell!
That's why we've come on bus. We can't be safe and have him drive now, really. But mind you, it is a lovely run we are, Wallace Arnold. It only takes an hour and a half. They've got hundreds of buses pulling in. People from all over still flock to Blackpool. Eh? Your mum called Blackpool? Not well me and our Jack's about. You can't lick Blackpool for my money.
No.
I used to like to come on bus. He used to like to come in car. Like to film stop where he wanted. We got this Ford Anglia, haven't we, Jack? Green it was. Green and white.
Ford Popular. It were green. And cream.
Was it cream?
1027 WR.
I'll never forget that registration number.
£658 cash I paid for it.
I wanted to put that money down and a deposit for an house. But you know our Jack. Tell him to do one thing, he'll go and do bloody opposite.
I don't.
When we come on our honeymoon, we stopped at Metropole. Then when he come away for 2 years, because he dirty send down at Pitt. When we come in September.
Leisure week, St Leisure at Doncaster, Pitt holidays.
Before we had our Ian, or our Pamela.
Before we'd even thought about having our Ian. Little sod. It's before M62 is this.
Oh, what a journey. Can you remember it? From Upton, Wakefield, Bradford, Skipton and Clitheroe. We used to stop at Clitheroe.
Jimmy bloody Clitheroe. Always reminded me of Jimmy Clitheroe.
Our Ian, you slipped at soap dodgers in Bradford. Funny. Oh, hey. First time we come in car, we had a bump.
Oh, wow, we did.
Where did we stop that first year, Jack?
We stopped at Peter Fisher's on St Chad's Road.
We didn't.
We did?
We didn't. We stopped at Mavis's.
Oh, wow, we did.
It was a lovely boarding house. Not as homely as our beat is, though.
We had some happy times at Mavis's.
There were some funny buggers in that finish year, weren't there, Jack? Sam and Mary.
Ah, and me and you.
Well, it's second half.
Ah, we're ready.
I wanted to go on bus, didn't I?
Ah, awkward as a broken clog.
Packed that morning for some reason.
We were listening to Forecast on wireless.
Not that they were listening. They were stuck in that bloody bathroom as usual.
I was getting a shave.
They were singing. I was stuck on my hands and knees trying to lock up that bloody case. How long you gonna be? It's always last bloody minute. Don't bloody answer, Jack. I know. I should have packed last night.
I can hear you, Liz.
Wish we never bought that bloody car.
I can hear you.
What are you doing?
I'm getting a bloody shave.
Well, they should have got one last night.
I didn't need one.
When there is work to be done, he is as scared as Rocky Nose shit.
I can hear you.
I thought you'd gone down bloody drain. It's always last bloody minute with you.
The leaves of brine came tumbling down, remember?
Jack!
In September, in the rain.
Hurry up!
The whole night is like when I remember.
Every time he gets in that bloody bathroom.
That September, in the rain.
Are you gonna put a bloody sock in it or what?
To every word of love I heard you whisper.
That's gonna make it bloody rain if they keep singing like that. Shut up! And hurry up, Jack! It's 7:15. I thought they wanted to get out on road in case anything happened with this car.
My desert is waiting. Dear, come there with me.
Jack!
I'm longing to teach you love's sweet melody.
Come on now.
I'll sing a sweet song for two.
If you're not down here in 2 minutes, I'm not gonna go.
Painting a picture for you.
Right, that's it. I'm not going. Bugger you. I put your best shirt in case you go anywhere special, and a couple of them new cardigans. I've put your check shirt in and your short sleeve shirt, but I've not put your suit in. I've put them old trousers in, you know, so like you can lounge about in them, and a couple of them new hankies. Is there anything else you can think of, Jack?
No.
We're ready then.
Right.
That's it then.
We're ready. I want to set off before there gets too much traffic on the road.
I'm just going to check hours, Jack.
Wow.
I want to,
What for?
because I want to leave it tidy.
That's bloody stupid.
If I leave it tidy and it's clean to come back to,
Still stupid.
have you done upstairs?
No.
Go and clean the bathroom. I do not want that mucky while I'm away.
This is bloody balmy, this is.
Have you switched water off?
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to leave the key next door, Mrs. Ritter. Then our betting come up on Friday. Put us the fire in and warm water. That way I can do some washing when we get back Saturday. Looks like there'll be some washing and all.
We've not even set off yet.
I've got to make arrangements, Jack.
Do you want me to take these to the car?
I suppose so. I'll do other. Oh,
I'll take them then.
I don't know why we have to get a bloody car.
It's a bit nippy with looks in it.
I'm not going on bus.
You can go on bus. I'll drop the off.
Well, Jack, we could have gone on bus. You know, like with that limit.
You'll not get me going on bus.
It would better on bus.
Ah, it bloody well. Smoking about 20 other people's cigs. That much smoke about. And that's before we'd even bloody set off. There's no smoking car. You can stop when you want, stretch your legs a bit, have a picnic. Besides, it'll only take us 2 minutes in car, and I felt sick on bus.
Well, I feel sick in car.
I don't know how you worked that one out, Liz. You've only been out in it once so far.
I mean, it's... I can't stand the smell. It smells of newness.
What's that want it to smell of oldness? It is new.
It's too low down for my liking.
How do you mean?
Too near road.
Not the rain.